This is zinc oxide tape. You might have seen it in the pharmacy and in the first aid section. You might be wondering what it is. This is a strong, sticky tape, and you use it to prevent an injury if you play contact sports like volleyball or basketball or rugby. You can strap your fingers like this, and to tear the tape, you just pull it apart slightly, and between the peaks here, you just go straight down, like that. So I want to strap these two fingers so that they don't get hurt if I'm going to play volleyball, for example, where you've got lots of force going into your fingers or around them, and this provides some extra support. Or maybe you already have a finger injury and you want to support that finger that's injured with a finger that's not injured. You can also use it on your ankles, your knees, your elbows, your wrist, and on your shoulder. When you use zinc oxide tape like this, it's called strapping. And you can also use it to hold a dressing like this pad in place on your skin. Maybe it's in a place on your body like a joint, such as your elbow or your wrist or your knee, and you don't want this dressing to move around a lot. So what you do I'll just get the dressing out to show you, is you can put the dressing on your skin. Maybe that won't work. Let's put it here. Imagine this paper is your skin, and then you've got some tape. So you can go around the edge of the dressing, like that, and on all sides to keep it in place. And that dressing is definitely not going anywhere. It's very secure, and this means you can go for a walk or do your normal activities without worrying that your dressing is going to move. This is different to paper tape, which is not as strong. You can already see it's much thinner. So here you can see it's very easy to remove, and this is much more difficult to remove. It's torn the paper. So it's important to note that if someone has very delicate or fragile skin, you don't want to use a strong tape like zinc oxide here on the right. You'd want to use a much gentler, softer tape on their skin, like this thin paper tape. That means it will be easy to remove when the time comes to change the dressing, like this pad. So the zinc oxide tape, you can see, is very shiny, and the paper tape is also very shiny, but much thinner and not as sticky as the zinc oxide tape. So because the zinc oxide tape is very sticky, when you take it off your skin like this, there might be some sticky glue left on your skin, and you can normally remove that with soap and water, or you can buy a spray or wipes that can remove the stickiness from your skin. If you do use zinc oxide tape or a paper tape, they are not waterproof, and when you remove them, you should not use them again. So you should use some new tape and a new dressing if you are putting a dressing like this wound pad on a wound. There are different brand names for zinc oxide tape, and these include Strapal and Leukotape or 3M tape. It generally does not matter which one you get, as long as it's what you need to help you at that time. I'm Pharmacist Virginia, and I hope you enjoyed this video about different first aid tapes and the difference between zinc oxide tape and paper tape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.